It's just like let's meet and then we'll just see. Chalega, whatever. What
That's
is
me.
I want him and CM Stalin also.
Wow. Wow. Okay, now what is Jungkook doing here?
She's done her
Matters.
homework, bro. Okay. Like I was thinking Tamil Nadu politics
No,
for God's sake.
it's very like interesting. Ick.
No.
Just the two of us.
Hi
Hi
guys.
welcome back to another episode of Just the Two of Us.
So we have come up with a new set of theme and fun stuff this time. So how are you all doing? Welcome to episode 2. Thank you so much for watching episode 1, which is actually still not released yet, but we would be by the time we post this episode, of course. So we just want to say thank you. And
Yes. And we have a theme today, which is
is
no one asked, but why do people?
okay, yes.
Hello.
So now you guys will wonder, like you yourself will get a lot of questions like, okay, yeah, why do people do that? So we have a set of things prepared. So let's get into it.
Okay.
So the first question is, no one asked, but why do people suddenly become philosophers at 2 a.m., 3 a.m.? What do you think?
I know people who start sharing their life after 11 p.m.
Yeah.
Like they start oversharing.
Oversharing, yeah, guilty as charged. Like I have done that personally in my life, so I agree. Like I think it's like the sense of secure feeling that we get post 11
No, your
p.m.
brain is just tired and you're overspilling.
Yeah,
Bro.
and we just like have no control, no filter, no whatsoever, and we just feel it's right to thing to do or something like that. Okay.
So my take is that no one asked, but why do people overpromise and underdeliver?
I think it's more of a guy thing.
Yeah.
Rather than
I've never seen a
people.
girl
Yeah,
once.
overpromise and underdeliver because women are great.
Women are just great. So why do people say I'm fine and expect you to decode it? That's also me.
Yeah, I mean that's also her because she is somebody who just cannot reveal her true self in the first time.
I'm a spy.
Yeah, this is the best question. Like, why do friends say let's meet with zero intention? Like there is no effort, there is no nothing. It's just like let's meet and then we'll just see. Chalega, whatever. What
That's
is
me.
I think that's us in general.
Yeah.
Because like we have a gang and we just say let's meet and we don't like have any intention whatsoever. We're not.
Just kidding, guys.
Yeah.
No, I'm not working for any other country. I'm not a spy.
I love my country.
I just hate being vulnerable.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I don't know why. Like, let us know why actually people do that. No, I think it's more of a girl thing now. Like, I'm fine, and then the guy has to decode what is wrong with them. Now, I have a question. Why do people walk slow in the middle of the road? Like, I do.
I am a fast walker.
Yeah. I do. I walk really slow. And why do even people want to walk fast? No, I'm
Bro.
contradicting my question. I get that. Like, but then, what is the point of walking fast? But not in the middle of the road, but in the side of the road, like just walking in general. Why do people want to voluntarily walk fast?
I don't voluntarily walk fast. I just naturally walk fast.
I mean,
I don't know why.
Naturally, voluntarily, blah blah blue blue, whatever. Like, fast walking is just a crime.
Slow walking is a crime.
No. Slow walking.
It
Come
is.
on. Okay, you guys tell us which is better, fast walking or slow. It's just like you're going to a place, you're getting to a cafe, you're getting to Chuma, just gonna get ice cream or something. You're just walking, it's close by. It's like better to go slow walking rather than fast walking. It's like you're digestion process you're doing before walking. See, before eating itself. Like that you go in one jet speed.
Okay.
I just had a valid crash out right now. Okay, so welcome to our next segment.
Ick or valid. Double texting. Ick or valid.
Ick,
Ick.
if I'm doing it. If they are doing it,
Ick.
valid.
No.
Like they double text. If it's like to get my attention or
Okay,
something, like then it's like
Okay.
valid, no.
If the person who's texting me, I like them, it's valid. If I don't like them,
Look at she has her
It's-
priorities straight. Okay, makes sense.
sending voice notes longer than 2 minutes.
Definitely ick. Definitely ick.
Yes,
And I have
yes.
so many friends who
I
really
have-
do that.
I have friends who send me voice notes more than 2 minutes too, but
But-
no, I don't know.
No, I don't
Is
know.
it an ick or valid? I don't know.
And it's definitely an ick for me. I can never handle more than 2 minutes. Like 2 minutes itself is too much for me, I feel. More than 1 minute is an ick.
With that ADHD brain.
Yeah, I
2
listen
minutes,
to
it's
1.5. Okay, the best thing is I listen to it in 1.5, then 2 also sometimes if they're really slow. But then I again put it in 1x and I listen to it fully.
Oh my god, I know someone who speaks really, really slow and they send voice notes more than like 3-4 minutes.
If you're watching that, you know who you are. Okay. Calling without texting first.
Ick, bro. No.
For an introvert like her, even if you text, she's not going to
I'm
pick
not
your
going to
call.
pick your call.
Yeah, so for me, I think, yeah, it's an ick. Using bro in serious situations.
It's okay.
It's valid. Absolutely valid.
Valid.
I don't know why guys feel so humiliated or like insulted and get offensive.
அந்த படத்துல வித் லவ் படத்துல
Bro.
ஒரு கால் கூட பண்ணல ப்ரோ இன்னொடி அந்த
Bro, என்னங்க bro எல்லாம் சொல்றீங்க?
valid only.
Yeah, valid.
Bro.
Bro.
Posting sad quotes every day. No way.
Ick alert.
I cannot stand someone who
Voluntarily.
is constantly sad and constantly posting sad stuff.
Like they know what they're doing and it's not working.
Situationship.
I actually do not understand the concept of situationship only.
It's just that you don't put a label on your relationship
okay.
and you just keep talking, but you both are not getting into the relationship.
I think
It's so annoying. Yeah, I hate situationship.
it's an ick. So now we have a really fun segment and we did a story, we posted a story on our Mini Universe Instagram page. Go follow us. And it was asking people their most weirdest most embarrassing public moment. And we got a lot of replies. Thank you so much to whoever replied and thank you so much to whoever I forced to reply. So we have a few favorites that we're going to take for today's episode. And
Do you want to share your most embarrassing public moment?
okay. I think it was once like I'd gone for a family function, and this is really embarrassing when I talk about it. So it was a wedding or something of sorts. So so you meet lot of relatives and all, right? So what happened? One aunt came over, and there was me and my cousin. We both were standing, and my aunt came over, and she was about to give me her hand, like shaking hands, like how are you and all that. So I thought she's coming up to me, and even I reached out my hand, but she actually did look at me, and in that gap, my cousin gave his hand, and like I was like left with no hands and a public embarrassing moment. Thank you. Like it was so embarrassing, and I was like looking around, like please nobody saw that. Yeah, like yaru paakala, please. Maname pogudu. Like I think this was very recent, and I didn't forget about it. So this is the first reply that we got.
Yeah, So this person apparently met one of their classmates, old classmates, in a bus stand, and they both were talking, and there was this one old man begging, and he asked them to put some alms, and they said no.
Okay.
So he started yelling, பொண்ணெல்லாம் வச்சிருக்க 20 rupees கூட கொடுக்க மாட்டியா.
Oh
Both
god.
me and my friend got so embarrassed.
That is really embarrassing.
Embarrassing. என்னால நினைச்சு கூட பார்க்க முடியல.
If I was the girl, like I would just be like, sorry, bro. Yeah. I was once in a tennis class as a fourth-ish grader, and I was wearing a tennis skirt, the one with shorts underneath. And there were boys of my age playing with tennis balls behind me while I was waiting in queue for my turn. What happened was these guys ended up bouncing the ball and it ended up under my skirt. And it was stuck there. And I didn't notice it for like a few seconds, and there are a lot of crying emojis. And they were all just staring at my ass. And then got so embarrassed, and then I looked down and the ball was right there stuck. I just pushed the ball and pretended it never happened. Even the guys were awkward and shy when this happened. Like, I feel so sad for you.
Bro,
Yeah, like if that had happened to me, like I would never recover.
I wouldn't show my face to the human species for at least 10 days.
Yeah, girl, we love you. Okay, so there's one response saying, my car switching off in the middle of the road. What?
இல்ல இல்ல ஸ்ரீ, இது அவ்வளோ
Embarrassing.
embarrassing இல்ல.
Okay.
அப்போ அந்த மினிட்டுக்கு
ஆமா,
embarrassing, but I'll forget about it immediately.
Okay.
This one time when I had an accident on a main road and my dress tore.
It's like traumatizing.
எனக்கு என்ன சொல்றது.
Ama, like I don't know what to say. I mean,
Yeah, it's
Nijma,
really
like, it would have been really embarrassing. We love you.
So another response, guys. I had a crush on my senior. I thought he was also interested, but he got married to a girl in his class.
Oh,
I'm so sorry, girl.
yeah.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. We'll find better ones. Done with this segment.
No, I didn't share my embarrassing story.
Yes,
yet.
yes.
So-
Loudly for the people in the back.
My embarrassing story for everyone. So the thing is, you know, in our college, the first floor restroom is a men's restroom.
No.
The second floor is a women's restroom. The first floor, the ground floor is men's.
First
First floor is
women.
women.
Second floor
Second
is
floor
men.
is men.
Third floor is women. Yeah.
என்னாச்சுன்னா அந்த ஒரு டைம் எனக்கு ஏதோ லைக் செகண்ட் ஃப்ளோருக்கும் தேர்ட் ஃப்ளோருக்கும் ஏதோ ஒர்க் இருந்துச்சு. நான் மேலையும் கீழேயும் ஏறி இறங்கிட்டு இருந்தேன். என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா, என் ஃப்ரெண்டு நானும் தான் சேர்ந்து தேடிட்டு இருந்தேன். என்னவோ பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். சரி, என்ன ஒர்க்குன்னு நான் மறந்துட்டேன். என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா, அவளை ரெஸ்ட் ரூம் போயிட்டாலும் நினைச்சு தேடுறதுக்கு ஐ வெண்ட் இன்சைட் த ரெஸ்ட் ரூம் அண்ட் தென் ஐ ரியலைஸ் தட் இட்ஸ் a men's restroom. Fortunately, guys,
Meow, meow.
there was no one.
Oh my god.
Fortunately. But
there is a but. Oh my god.
நம்ம எப்படி கிளாஸ் இருக்கும்னா விண்டோ அங்க இருக்கும், உள்ள இருந்து லைக் டிரான்ஸ்பரண்டா இருக்கும். ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்
ஆமா, ஆமா, ஆமா.
can see இல்ல.
Somebody saw
Somebody
you.
saw.
Meow, 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 meow. Oh my god. And what did they do?
ஆனா இந்த சைடு இருந்த யாரும் எதுவும் கவனிக்கல, பிகாஸ் இட் வாஸ் த செகண்ட் ஃப்ளோர் இல்லையா. அப்படியே நான் வெளியே வந்து ஸ்டார் கேஸ் இருக்கும்ல, இறங்கி ஓடிட்டேன்.
Jute.
அவ்வளவுதான். அதை இது வரைக்கும் என் ஃப்ரெண்டு கிட்ட கூட நான் அதை ஷேர் பண்ணல. Yeah.
This happened in our college, so
Yeah.
whoever is watching from our college.
If you're also a victim of an incident like this, please comment it.
Okay, so we're on to our last segment.
Next segment, I have an interesting question.
Let's go.
ஸோ இது எங்கேருந்து எடுத்தேன்னா ஹஸ்லர் அனி ஆர் ஹஸ்ல் ராணி ஐ டோன்ட் நோ ஒரு
Okay.
இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் பேஜ்
Oh.
நேம் இஸ் அன்கிதா சாவ்லா
Okay.
அங்கிருந்து தான் எடுத்தேன்.
Okay.
ஸோ the question
Shout
is
out to her.
the question is you are at the head of a dinner table.
Okay.
It's an 8-seater dinner table. The
Okay.
goal of tonight's dinner is to bring out the most interesting conversations ever.
Like ours right now. Okay.
Be it alive, dead, most hated, most loved, most controversial people you know in your life. யார வேணா you can make them share this dinner with you. Somebody needs to act like the glue of the conversation. Somebody needs to come up with the most controversial opinions on the table. Somebody needs to be on the table just because you want them to share the table with you, and somebody needs to be on the table simply because you want to see them again. So my question to you is, who are you filling the seven seats
with? Okay. So after a deep contemplation, I would answer the first thing like I want them to be there just because I want them to be there. There's Jungkook from BTS. I don't know why, but though we probably cannot have 4 sentences at once in the same conversation. Because of the language. Like, so I think it'll be fun, like, to have him. I want Vijay. Thalapathy Vijay. I want him and CM Stalin also.
Wow. Okay, now what is Jungkook doing here?
He's going to watch Tamil Nadu politics unfold.
Okay.
He probably does not even know Tamil Nadu exists or something of that sort. So, but it'll be really interesting. I want like him to be there. So 3 seats are filled. I want my grandmom. She passed away a long time ago. And I want her because she'd have most savage responses to a lot of things. And I've heard that she is a very bold and confident woman. So I think it'll be fun to watch her in the Gen Z era, like what she thinks of us. So then I would want 4 done, right? So 3 more.
The one.
Now, 5th one, I want you.
No, I don't have you on my list. No, I feel so bad.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Like, she is my bestest friend in my whole wide world. And so I want her on my dinner table. Just because I want her on my dinner table. And 6th person, my uncle and aunt.
Chidappa Chitti.
Yeah, Chitappa Chitti. Like, yeah, it'll be fun.
Super shy. Jungkook and Stalin and
Vijay.
Vijay.
Yeah, what is your 7 people?
The first one is the music industry, Taylor Swift.
Let's go! Yes.
Because I like her so much and I love her so much. I obviously want her and she's the number one. The second one is Wizardless.
Oh.
Controversial, most hated.
No, I don't think she's most
Yeah,
hated.
she is very hated.
But we love her.
We love her. I love her so much. Like, I would have been a people pleaser, someone who don't know her self-worth if I never discover her. So I want her on my table. And then I want Kamala Harris because I just want to get to know her, her opinions on certain
She's
matters.
done her homework, bro. Okay.
I just want to get to know that woman. I'm very curious about her history, how she grew up and everything. And then I want, this is a very, very important person.
Okay.
I love her so much. You also like her, Shivani Karnika.
Yes.
Being a brown girl and now growing up, looking someone who has the same skin tone as me, being so confident, I just love her so much. Like I can talk about her for one whole day.
So pretty.
Uh, so I definitely want Shivani Karnika to be there on the table. Next one is Evelyn Ha.
Oh, the YouTuber.
The Ha sisters.
Ha sisters,
Mm.
yes.
So I cannot bring all the three of the sisters. So if I can only bring one, I would definitely bring Evelyn because she is also hated a lot, but she is also loved. She have like a huge fan base. Most of them are like Asians, black women also. So I am also a huge fan, and I definitely want her to be there on the table. One is my mother. If I'm having such great women on the table, I definitely want my mother to see that because I'm sure she cannot understand like half
The
thing,
conversation.
yeah. But she would be happy to see me happy, so I definitely want her on the table. And then I want my little sister. Her name is Shakti Shri.
Okay.
She also cannot like probably can't understand like half the thing we talk about, but I definitely want her on the table with me. I love you, girl. That's it.
Yay! Like her answer was top tier. Like mine was so mid.
Shri Pradano Shri.
Like I was thinking Tamil Nadu politics for
No.
God's sake.
It's very like interesting. We have one more question that is a year from now on. What do you think this podcast will look like? Like in terms of the vibe, the setup, guests.
Okay. I have really huge visions. Like I'm a very big dreamer. I as for the set, I think we would be in a very different set a year from now, is what I
A
hope.
lot of pink colors.
Yes,
for me.
and cute couches
Uh,
and the podcast mic. Like that is the set vision I have, and probably a photo album gallery of all our pictures together. And probably as we invite each guest, we would attach them onto our
wall.
That's such a Pearly Mani thing. Have you watched Pearly Mani
Yeah,
show?
I did, but
Yeah.
I don't know she stick pictures.
She sticks people. Like I think for one of the episodes with Jairam and Kalidas Jairam, she created a wall of all of their pictures, like family pictures and everything. So it was really cute. And probably like Coffee with Karan, like signing the mug and kissing.
And there is this Korean
Okay.
show.
Okay.
அதில் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா they kiss
The
lipstick mark
on
and stick it on the wall.
Is it a guy?
No, it's hosted by women. Youngji.
It's for women.
They drink together, both the guest and the host.
Only women hosts come.
Yeah,
women
or the
guests
only
come.
women. Yeah, Youngji. She is the only one host. It's a really fun show. You should definitely watch.
Okay. And as far as guests on our list, I have really huge.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Like in case Vijay becomes CM. And we interview him. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Imagine. Like,
Imagine. I wouldn't be able to
guys.
sleep.
Yeah. Anne Hathaway. She's so pretty and gorgeous, and she's just this aura of hers is like really
I'll
insane.
manifest for you one day. We'll get to interview Anne Hathaway.
Yeah. You tell me.
எனக்கும் அதே தான் ஸ்ரீனு சொன்ன மாதிரி செட்டப் ஒரு அழகான கவுச் பிங்க் செட்டப் மைக் கெஸ்ட் யாரு
Probably good editors also.
Yeah.
Like, please help us.
I cannot do this. This is as hard as math.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah, like
So yeah, we
kinda
definitely
difficult.
need editors. Guests. I don't know, a women politician. Like from any party. I'm not like
biased.
yeah.
Well, I clearly am.
Yeah, women politician. People who make music, Sean Roldan, Sai Abhyankar.
Sai Abhyankar, yes. It'll be so fun, I guess.
Yeah. And then who else?
Pudina Kalavachana Tabalanika.
மச்சனை பார்த்து
திக்கிறனே மச்சனை பார்த்து திக்கிறனே மச்சனை பார்த்து திக்க ரெட்டா ரெண்டா காம சோடா வெக்கத்தை விட்டு வாடா என்ன நீ கூட விக்கலாடா நிழலா ஒன்ன நான் ஒட்டியிருப்பேன்டா.
ஓகே எதுக்கு நம்ம இந்த கச்சேரி பண்றோம்
சும்மா to like impress
impress
people. No, we can
No, no,
sing.
no.
Girl, I didn't know you can sing. She can sing.
she is a music teacher guys
Like, not like அவ்வளோ சீன் எல்லாம் இல்ல கொஞ்சம்
No, no.
ஏதோ
For me,
தெரியும்.
she is the greatest music teacher. She sings so well.
Oh, so sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, if you guys want to have like music classes, DM.
Yes.
I'll make teaching fun.
Yes. She is very strict.
Yeah, it cannot be fun with me. Okay, so I think we'll wrap up this episode. Thank you
Thanks for watching.
and see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.